So she's from Manulife Vietnam, and we are very pleased to receive this Financial Advisor of the Year award. So in 2022, Trang achieved a remarkable result with a total annual premium equivalent around 600,000 US dollars. Only after 9 months working in VietinBank, one of our bank partner in Vietnam. So this award means a lot to Trang and also to Manulife Vietnam. As last but not least, I would like to extend my gratitude to all Manulife colleagues and our partner VietinBank in Vietnam, and everyone who have support insurance specialist Trang on her journey to bring insurance solution to customer. And this tremendous support to Trang has made this journey far more enjoyable and fully fun. I dedicate this award to all of you. Thank you, and thank you, the judge, for this very nice award to Trang. Thank you. Yeah.